This time on building terminology, the platform floor. Platform floor is a technique whereby the flooring is laid over the whole joist or floor area prior to the construction of the external and internal wall framing. Okay, this is then used as a working platform for the rest of the job. So the platform floor certainly makes it a lot easier to do your wall frames than a cut-in floor did, but the platform floor is subject to a lot more damage and a lot more marking, so it's normally not a finished product. And if you want to have a nice floor, it's normally laid over the top of the platform floor once the rest of the building's done. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.